Experience the serenity and beauty of LosWillows private wedding estate in San Diego County. LosWillows private wedding estate offers an enchanting outdoor setting where breathtaking scenery sets the stage for your special day.
LosWillows is a beautiful private outdoor estate located in Fallbrook, California, which, for those that don't know, is the perfect midway point between San Diego and Orange County, which makes us the perfect wedding destination for your big day.
Nestled amidst a picturesque backdrop of a glimmering lake, rolling foothills, and expansive meadows, this venue provides a captivating ambiance for your celebration.
We are very excited to have a full-service bridal salon on property that is available to use at 9 a.m. in the morning, so you have all day to get ready and gorgeous before you walk down the aisle. We also have 2 private dressing suites for you and your significant other to get ready.
Choose from 2 stunning ceremony sites. Our tranquil lakeside lawn, where you can make a dramatic entrance by boat and say "I do" with our gorgeous natural spring-fed lake as the ultimate backdrop.
Our ceremony site is so special because it is completely covered by ancient oak trees to keep that sunshine off of you while you still get your outdoor perfect setting. It's like a fairy tale come true. Everything is elegant, manicured to perfection. It's one of our pride and joy spots. Every bride that comes here falls in love immediately once they see it.
Our enchanted meadow, nestled among ancient oak trees adorned with twinkling lights. Your ceremony will truly feel like a fairy tale come true.
After the ceremony, we are so excited to offer a private boat cruise with champagne and hors d'oeuvres on board. So for the very first time, you get to celebrate your union together as a beautiful couple. So one of the best things about LosWillows is that we are situated in gorgeous rolling foothills. There's endless abundance of photo opportunities and videography opportunities to catch your perfect day and all of that love with your significant other.
For your reception, the newly renovated pavilion exudes elegance with its lavish ceiling draping, a stunning Swarovski crystal chandelier, and a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Complementing this sophisticated setting is our exclusive caterer, dedicated to crafting and presenting exquisite dishes, ensuring even your most discerning guests are thoroughly delighted.
Another great thing about LosWillows is that we do provide catering for you, so you don't even have to think about it. We've been working with a catering company for over 7 years. It is a very gourmet menu that can be curtailed exactly to your taste and preference. We offer tray pass hors d'oeuvres during your cocktail hour, and then for dinner we do provide either a buffet service or duet plated meal that can also come with tableside wine service. As a wedding wedding venue, our favorite thing by far is getting to speak with our couples after their wedding. Our favorite compliments that come our way most often are how beautiful the space is, how magical their day was. We have amazing venue coordinators and planners that are included in your package that will take you through every step of the day, and without a doubt, that is one of our biggest compliments after weddings, because it takes something that seems scary up front to the most beautiful, gorgeous, seamless day you could possibly imagine.
With the exclusive promise of hosting only one event per day, LosWillows dedicates your wedding day entirely to you, ensuring a private and unforgettable experience.